Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifelong Learner. So in this video, we are going to discuss about VLOOKUP. So first, I would like to give you a brief introduction about what is lookup. So lookup are of two types. The one is VLOOKUP and the second one is HLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is vertical lookup and the HLOOKUP is horizontal lookup. So why we use VLOOKUP? So we use VLOOKUP to extract the data in the table from other location. So in our case, we have two different table over here, and the one table is the main table, which is having all the information of the employee from employee name to designation to its basic salary and at last net salary. And in other table we have only limited information, which is employee name, and we have to extract the basic salary and the net salary from the main table. And here we have one common value, which is employee name in both the tables, which we are going to use to extract the two columns which we don't have in this table. So let's put a VLOOKUP over here. So we have to put VLOOKUP as a function in the column J, which is basic salary, and then we have to select the lookup value. So the lookup value is the common value between both the tables. So here we have employee name as a common value, which is lookup value. So after selecting the lookup value, we have to put comma and then select the table era. So we have to select the table era from the main table from where we are going to extract the data. So in the table era, we have to select the data from the common value till the value we want, which is basic salary over here. So let's select column A, B, and C over here and put comma after that. And the third thing that we have to put in this formula is column index number. So which means the number of columns we have selected. So in our case, we have selected only three columns. So let's put three over here as a column index number, and after that put comma. So at last, Excel will ask us if we want the exact value or the approximate match. In normal case, we always want the exact value. So in Excel, we the exact value is denoted by 0. So we have to put the 0 at last and close the formula and put enter. Over here, we have got the basic salary from this formula. And let's check if the basic salary is correct or not. So let's check the Sumit salary, basic salary. So here Sumit has 19,000 as a basic salary. So it's matching. That means our formula is working. Similarly, if we want to know about the salary of Karan, so please write it over here, Karan, and see its salary is 22,000, which has been changed now. Let's check it in the main table. Its basic salary is 22,000. That means our formula is working. So the next thing that we want to extract is net salary. So over here again we have to put the VLOOKUP formula to extract the net salary from the main table. So let's write equal VLOOKUP and select the common value, which is the lookup value, and then select the table era. So the table era would be the start from the common value and ends at the value which we want, which is net salary. So let's select the complete those columns and put comma. So now we have selected total four columns. So put 4 as a column index number, and after that put comma, and we always want the exact value. So put 0 at the last and close the formula and press enter. So 19,800 is the net salary of Karan. So let's check it over here. Karan has 19,800 net salary and 22,000 basic salary, which is matching in our case. Let's check the salary of Krishna. Okay, so here we have 72,000 basic salary and 64,800 basic net salary of Krishna. Let's check it over here in the main table. So in the main table as well, we have 72,000 basic salary and 64,800 as a net salary. So this is how we can use our VLOOKUP formula to extract the data and save our time. It looks very simple in the small data, but when you are going to do it in the large data, it would be very helpful, because in large data you might have like 50,000 rows from for which you have to extract the data. So in those cases, these formulas will help you and save a lot of time. So yeah, so that's all I have for VLOOKUP as of now. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And stay tuned for more such videos and more such contents on this channel. Thank you so much.